Today, on Pakistan's National Minority Day, I would like to reiterate Pakistan's commitment to all minorities, regardless of class, color, creed. You are citizens of Pakistan and you would be treated alike. In accordance with the vision of the founding father of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who very categorically said, "You will all be equal in the eyes of law." The laws of Pakistan protect minorities of Pakistan. We respect them. They have contributed significantly to our socio-economic development. Look at the education, health sectors Pakistani minorities have contributed. Today, there is religious freedom in Pakistan. You can go to your churches, you can go to your gurdwaras,